Today I'm going to make another taste-safe slime recipe. It is made with all food ingredients, so if your kids sneak a taste, it's not a big deal. All you need is instant pudding mix, 1 cup of cornstarch, and 1/3 cup of warm water. Add the instant pudding mix and half of your cornstarch to a bowl. Add 1/3 cup of water and stir until slime begins to form. It will be pretty sticky at this point. Since my pudding mix was white chocolate, I added a little food coloring. Slowly add the rest of your cornstarch, stirring as you go. When the slime thickens and is hard to stir with a spoon, finish kneading by hand. This slime is not super stretchy, but still lots of fun to play with. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.